Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by opening Xcode and creating a new playground. Pick the template that matches your goal. Blank for snippets, game for sprite kit. Once created, make sure you choose the correct platform, iOS versus Mac OS, because APIs differ. Immediately import the modules you need, for example import Foundation and import UI kit or import Swift UI. Then declare a few variables and a simple function to confirm the runtime. Run the playground, and watch the quick results appear in the right side. You now build the main part. Write incremental snippets and run them often so you can inspect behavior immediately. Use the results sidebar and quick look to peek at values, images, and view hierarchies, and use the timeline for animations and async tasks. Once done, attach resources, images, or data files to the Playground bundle so code loads consistently. Make sure to use the Assistant Editor to show the live view beside code. That makes visual feedback instant and helps you iterate faster without switching windows. You wrap up by cleaning code and saving the Playground into a project folder or Git repo so changes are tracked. If you need app structure, export or recreate the logic in a full Xcode project, Playgrounds are for prototyping. If things go wrong, first restart Xcode. Next, reset the Playground's folder or clear derived data. That often fixes stale caches and runtime errors. Finally, run the Playground again and confirm live view, and results update as expected before closing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.